from Chennai and my native is Viluppuram. I am studying first year BPT in SNS College of Physiotherapy, Coimbatore. I am here to talk about pollution. Pollution is the process in which undesirable toxic contaminants contaminate our environment like air, water, soil, etc. It is creating sudden changes in the ecosystem, which is directly or indirectly leaving adverse effects on the lives of human beings, animals, and plants. It creates an imbalance in the natural system. Many things which are making our lives easy are harmful to the environment. For example, vehicles leave gases that pollute the air. Industries and household garbage pollute both water and air. Every living being on earth depends on air and water. When these two things get polluted, all the lives on earth come at a risk. It is seen that urban areas get more polluted than in rural areas, though rural areas also get polluted by harmful pesticides used in farming lands. Because of pollution, many new diseases appear daily, which are extremely dangerous for health of living beings. It has now become a serious problem globally. Global warming is now the cause of headaches for all human beings worldwide. It is the pollution that is indirectly affecting the change in the weather. This global issue needs immediate action. Otherwise, it will be challenging to lead a healthy lifestyle. Types of pollution. There are various kinds of pollution around us. Here we will discuss more on the types of pollution. Air pollution. It is sometimes visible like we can see polluted air left by the vehicles on the road because of its different color. In most cases, it is not visible. Polluted air mainly affects the eyes and lungs of human beings as well as animals. It can even kill a living creature within a few minutes. We know about many incidents where harmful gas leakage has killed people. Even natural disasters can make the air toxic, like volcanic eruption produce harmful gases that affect human health and other natural resources as well. Vehicles and factories produce harmful gases that, in reaction to sunlight, creates thick fog. Air pollution also contributes to acid rain. It can destroy water like forests, etc. Water pollution. Same like water, one kind of water pollution is visible like muddy water, water with garbage, etc. At the same time, some visible clean water can contain chemicals that are dangerous to our health. Drinking polluted water can cause serious health issues. A lot of people die worldwide by consuming contaminated water. It can also indirectly affect humans and animals. Like if we eat a fish from polluted river or sea, we also observe the potential pollutants. Natural gas and oil can also contribute to the pollution of water. Liquid waste from factories also pollute the water. Solid waste disturb the drainage system. Sewage, agricultural waste, acid rain are essential cause of water pollution. Soil pollution. Soil waste from factories and households pollute the land. Harmful chemicals mix in the soil through the pesticides used in agriculture. Pollutants from landfills mix in the ground and pollute it. When we eat plants that have grown in the polluted land, we indirectly consume contaminants harmful to our health. Noise pollution. When the sound becomes intolerant and reason of disturbance, it is noise pollution. The sounds of vehicles, mic, loud music, or machinery cause noise pollution. It causes serious health issues like migration, depression, hypertension, aggressive behavior, etc. to humans. It also directly affects the health of animals. It sometimes becomes the reason for the conclusion. Many people and animals are losing their lives or experiencing severe health issues due to the increased level of pollution. This critical issue needs immediate attention. Most of the causes of pollution are human activities. So, we should control such activities that contribute to pollution. It can at least minimize the severity of its effects. Thank you.